Before watching the video, I suggest you watch the intro of the series to understand what we mean by Divine Skills. Divine Skills Series, Episode 4, Strength. The simplest explanation for strength is the ability to move heavy things. But does having a hand truck makes you strong? Strength is both physical and mental. You need to have a good shape and stand still to have a strong conversation. All of us are born strong. Children have no fear introducing themselves to strangers, for example, but most of all, they can tell the truth before we told them not to. So honesty is the first factor in being strong, and it comes with the responsibility of its outcomes. Braveness comes second as a characteristic of strength, and it is the quality of facing danger or pain without showing fear or suffering. Every one of us have degrees of fear. The strongest among us know their fears and walk on it, like it has never existed. The self-help best-selling author Karen Salmason said, "Strength grows in the moments when you think you can't go on, but you keep going anyway." Let's make an example of this quote. Imagine that you wanted to try to jump over 2 stairs to reach the third in front of a group of people. A strong person would have studied the outcomes and have 2 possibilities if he chooses to jump. He succeeds, then everything is good, or he hurts himself and he handles his suffering and accepts it as part of the process of learning. And the same strong person can choose not to jump, as long as he can handle the audience around and have no shame about it. Letting go is a form of strength too. You are strong as long as you make choices when you can handle and embrace the outcomes of it. Shame, fear, and hesitation are poisons of society. You can still be strong, accepting both possibilities, winning and failure, before you even try, and then aim for the best for you. Be honest with yourself first and to your surroundings. The shining truth is your strength, so have it on your side, not the other way round. Start your way with our strength affirmation video below, or watch the previous episodes to learn other divine skills. If you like us to provide more episodes, thumbs up and share with your strong friends. Leave your comments below and subscribe for more teachings.